One good thing about music, when it hits you, you feel no pain. Life is one big road with lots of signs. So when you're riding through the ruts, don't complicate your mind. Flee from hate, mischief, and jealousy. Don't bury your thoughts. Put your vision to reality. Wake up and live. The greatness of a man is not in how much wealth he acquires, but in his integrity and his ability to affect those around him positively. Open your eyes. Look within. Are you satisfied with the life you're living? If you get down and quarrel every day, you're saying prayers to the devil, I say. I don't stand for the black man's side. I don't stand for the white man's side. I stand for God's side. As a man sow, shall he reap. And I know that talk is cheap, but the heat of the battle is as sweet as the victory. My music fights against the system that teaches to live and die. God sent me on earth. He sent me to do something, and nobody can stop me. If God want to stop me, then I stop. Man never can. The devil ain't got no power over me. The devil come, and me shake hands with the devil. Devil have his part to play. Devil's a good friend too, because when you don't know him, that's the time he can mosh you down. Every time I plant a seed, he say kill it before it grow. He say kill it before they grow. Me is a common sense man. That mean when me explain things, me explain it in a very simple way. That mean if I explain it to a baby, the baby will understand too, you know. What important is, man should live in righteousness, in natural love for mankind. Me don't dip on nobody's side. Me don't dip on the black man's side, not the white man's side. Me dip on God's side, the one who create me and cause me to come from black and white. Me only have one ambition, know. I only have one thing I really like to see happen. I like to see mankind live together. Black, white, Chinese, everyone. That's all. My music will go on forever. Maybe it's a fool say that, but when me know facts, me can say facts. My music will go on forever. Everything is political. I will never be a politician or even think political. Me just deal with life and nature. That is the greatest thing to me. It take many a year, moon, and maybe some bloodshed must be, but righteousness someday prevail. Truth is, everybody is going to hurt you. You just gotta find the ones worth suffering for. Don't gain the world and lose your soul. Wisdom is better than silver or gold. I have education. I have inspiration. If I was educated, I would be a damn fool. Get up, stand up for your rights. Get up, stand up, don't give up the fight. If you're white and you're wrong, then you're wrong. If you're black and you're wrong, you're wrong. People are people. Black, blue, pink, green. God make no rules about color. Only society make rules where my people suffer. And that why we must have redemption. And redemption now. You entertain people who are satisfied. Hungry people can't be entertained. Or people who are afraid. You can't entertain a man who has no food. You're not supposed to feel down over whatever happened to you. I mean, you're supposed to use whatever happened to you as some type of upper, not a downer. I've been here before and will come again, but I'm not going this trip through. Prejudice is a chain. It can hold you. If you prejudice, you can't move. You keep prejudice for years. Never get nowhere with that. Babylon is everywhere. You have wrong and you have right. Wrong is what we call Babylon, wrong things. That is what Babylon is to me. I could have born in England, I could have born in America. It make no difference where me born, because there is Babylon everywhere. People want to listen to a message, word from Jah. This could be passed through me or anybody. I am not a leader, messenger. The words of the songs, not the person, is what attracts people.